So I'm gonna do this little vlog and show you guys what my husband's trying to do to my back wall. I know, but I just want to show them.
I need to go get stuff. Let me suck in. Maybe put my girdle on or something.
Oh my god. He has this idea for my background that he wants to do.
My nail gun.
It's not showing you yet. I'm still considering doing Vlogsember, so this is gonna give me a little. I keep looking over there because I'm using my phone, but I want to do Vlogsember, but I've never done it, and my life is not that interesting, you guys. Although I do have funny kids and a funny husband that always has me laughing, but I think you guys would enjoy seeing that. But I'm pretty boring. My kids are homeschooled, and we just spend the day mostly home, and I'm constantly telling them to do their schoolwork and all of that. So there's my husband, but so yeah, I don't know. We'll see what we do. My dog's over here crying because she wants to get out, the little one, but she used the bathroom today in the house. So yeah, let's see what my husband's doing, trying to do. So let's go check it out. Okay, so he has this idea. It's not gonna be like all put together right now. You said one nail, that's three.
That's one different piece. Oh, you know what? Do yourself. Do yourself.
Oh my god, I just don't want the holes back there when, like after we take it off.
There's one little, oh my god.
How little?
The little nails. That's the little nails.
Okay, so just so I understand, babe.
Yes.
When it comes off, you're not gonna be able to see those holes. Will you? Will you be able to see those holes?
You want to pull one off? What?
No. But will you be able to see the holes? Because you know,
they're so small on the
because you know that when I go back to my regular thing, or when I go to the back to the thing, I just don't want those little holes to be.
Don't worry about it. Okay, don't worry about it.
You should have just did one in the middle.
Stop. I'm busy at work, okay? And this is what you want me to do stuff for you, okay? He's trying to put something on my mom's wall. After that, you can just, whatever you want to, we'll do that light center, okay? But that's how you think.
It's pretty.
You gotta put your whatever your little thing that you're get it back on. How about you just take out the desk?
No, I can't. I need it.
So, bring it back to my desk.
Okay, that's it for now, guys. Okay, sneak peek, friends. This is what we got going. Tell me what you think. My husband did it for me. I like it. It's very cute. I don't know. Should I hang a few ornaments from the tree, like little ones? I love the way it looks like that. My husband's still trying to play with it. Very cute. Those 3 signs are Dollar Tree. Those little candle holders I had for many years from Home Interiors. I mean, before my kids existed. Those trees, when I worked at the school, they were donated from Joann's, and I got 4 of those, and I forgot I had them. But I need to figure something for that middle, even though you're not going to see it, honestly, because my head's going to be there. But yeah, super cute so far. So let me know what you guys think. I'm sure you'll see this before. You'll probably see this before my other videos. So, and in the other videos, there's no background. So yeah. Okay, so this is me sitting at my area that I normally would sit at. This is how it would look, you know, when I'm filming. Obviously, I'm using my phone right now. My other camera will be in front of me. So I like it so far. I might do some adjustments over the time, but it's super cute right now. Yeah, I might go to Dollar Tree, see if I can find a couple other little things. But so far I really like it, and I didn't have to really purchase anything. I had stuff already, you know, already here. I may put like a little strand of garland, you know, like Christmas garland or something. I don't know, maybe just to give it a little bit of green, but this is how it would look. And I'm currently in the middle of editing a video that's gonna go up tomorrow. So, I don't know. I'm gonna attempt at this Vlogmas thing, guys, but if I don't get every day up, please forgive me. And if I have to combine days, I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, so I think that's what I'm gonna do, is maybe combine like a couple days here and there. I don't know if that's okay. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back to editing my video. I'm super hungry. Haven't really ate all day today. I had cereal this morning, and my husband just got home from work not that long ago, and then he helped me with this. So I'm just waiting for him. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish editing the video, and then I will come back on and then chat with you guys a little bit more. All right, guys.
Did you charge?
Yeah, it's recording.
Did you?
What do you have
Whoa!
to say?
Hi, hola, mi gente.
This is the beautiful one and only Ariana.
You can't say.
At big shrimp. Oh, big shrimp, Papa shrimp.
Papa Daddy shrimp.
Let me see.
Let me see.
I'm gonna be the vlogger.
Thankful for Andy because she's very funny. She is very compassionate.
And you're very
Wait. Do you know what that means?
No.
Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum.
Profound.
You don't know that word either?
Why are you so close to her?
Yeah.
Because she sat there.
No, get back, scoot back.
She's also
Like
very
Jack.
lovely.
Who is?
Very graceful. Very gracious.
Do you know what gracious
Who is
means?
it?
And I don't know what any of those words mean. You know what I'm saying? What else is she? Very beautiful. Very kind-hearted.
You have to look at your fingers to know.
Yeah.
She's very beautiful.
It's about to be your turn.
She's
Right.
sweet.
And then it's about to be your turn.
Like a
Like Lila's cookies.
yeah.
Your turn.
I am very thankful for Auntie Delilah and everybody in my life. I support you. I support Jesus Christ.
Go you.
Go for you. I am so thankful for you.
What are you doing?
Sorry if this is a lot of footage for you to edit.
I'm not playing.
And I hope you probably stay soon. Yeah. I was very bad at that.
You're not. You hit the. My knees are
I
right.
don't know how to stop this. So.
Whoa.